and next week. It looks like the windiest day will be arriving in here on your Tuesday. I'll talk more about that in just a little bit. In the meantime, here's what we're dealing with. Look at the winds. Not doing a whole lot out there. Just one of those ideal days that we can have from time to time in the months of March and April. And we are going to be looking at those temperatures. Going to stay on the mild side into later on tonight. Look at the temps we're dealing with out there right now. Demi at 75. We have 70 in Alamogordo, 50s and 60s in Sacramento Mountains. We're 73 right now. And we have 68 and 70 out there in Sierra Blanca and Van Horn. All right, so here's the winds. And here's what we're anticipating. I think gusts tomorrow at 35. Not going to be too bad. And then Sunday, the winds start to pick up. We're going to likely see some areas of blowing dust and sand. Monday down to 35. And then look here. Once we head into Tuesday, it gets quite windy. Right now, we're estimating gusts at 50. Then the winds come down a bit on Wednesday. You know, Wednesday we're going to have some colder air coming in here behind the front. That will bring the winds down just a little bit on Wednesday at 35. And then we get down here on Thursday to 25 and then back up to 35 once we head into Friday. Now, speaking of the winds, we are going to have some areas of blowing dust and sand. As I was talking about the last couple of days, it's not going to be that scene really where you look out and you can't see the Franklin Mountains. This is just showing the potential of some areas of blowing dust and sand. It's not going to be a brownout in so many cases, but you know, there will be some dust and sand flying around parts of town. Monday, and even as we head into Tuesday, here's Tuesday morning, some areas of blowing dust and sand. We're going to watch maybe some thicker areas start to move in here by early Wednesday. Look at this. You get around southern New Mexico into portions of El Paso County, and you can see some of that thicker brown area. That will continue to move to the southeast, and we're really going to be looking at some areas of some of that dust and sand hanging around into Wednesday. Now, so far this season, we have had 8 dusty days across town. Now, here's your weekend. You're going to like Saturday, 87, going to be a little on the warm side. Look at Sunday, 86, but the winds get stronger, as we talked about on Sunday. Las Cruces for you, 85 Saturday, 84 expected on Sunday. The winds will start to pick up by Sunday afternoon into Sunday night there in Las Cruces. So 49 overnight tonight. We'll be looking at temperatures at 87 for tomorrow. You guys in Las Cruces down to 45. Your high temperature tomorrow will make it up to 85 degrees. Watch over the next several days. So that first alert in place for Sunday because of the stronger winds, some blowing dust and sand, 85 on Monday. Then the winds get stronger. Once we head into Tuesday, we're talking about 84 degrees, but a cold front comes in here. That's why we go from 84 to 75 on Wednesday. But this will be the day, as it looks right now, we're going to see more blowing dust and sand and certainly some stronger winds. Mark.
So we want to give